Hi there, this is Sean, and I want to show you a little bit about how to use the Bootstrap button styles. One of the things that people love about Bootstrap is the way that it helps you get sort of a base level of design going on your site with not too much trouble. And one of the handy features that it has is a way to turn anything into a button, which is something that people often want to do, and we get sick of writing boilerplate to adjust padding and margins and everything. So I'm going to show you a little bit about how the Bootstrap buttons work. So in Bootstrap, we have a base button class that is just btn. So if I save this and preview, we have a button, but we don't have anything, any other styles associated with it. But it now has some spacing and everything. It's not just up against the left-hand margin like it was before. So the next level that we can do is just set it to be a default button. And if we do that and preview it, we get this plain white and gray button. Now, from here, if we were writing some custom styles, we could just say button custom or something and define that in our custom style sheet, and we would be able to make that whatever color we want or modify it however we want. However, Bootstrap does give us several different ways to modify these buttons just directly out of the framework. So one of them is by picking a color. So I'm going to pick button primary, which will use whatever color I have defined as my primary color, and that gives me a nice blue button. The colors in Bootstrap are defined according to the role that they play. So if I pick info, then we'll see a nice aqua button. If I pick warning, we should see a nice yellow button. And we do. If I pick success, we should see a nice green button. And you can see that we have that all there. Now, what if we want our button larger or smaller? We can say button large. And you notice that the button will go all the way across. And we can also say button small. And the button will be tinier. So this is the way that we can stack up and use button classes to control the way that our buttons look. In Bootstrap, these are found under CSS in the buttons section, and Bootstrap has some wonderful documentation that will help you see all of the different options that you have. There's a lot more than I have even covered, but hopefully now you have a little bit of a better idea of how you can apply these button classes really to almost any element. They work best on anchor tags, actual buttons, and inputs. And that's the way buttons work. So enjoy. Have fun with Bootstrap.